We're gonna be with you 7 days, guys. So enjoy our nanny, free vlog. Subscribe, subscribe, press like, click the button, like and share. Comment.
Seated, steel seatbelts fastened. We've not reached our stand yet. Please wait until the seatbelt signs have been.
We just landed. We're in Morocco. We're in Morocco. This is our hotel. Gonna go to the pool today. I think we'll spend our day to the pool today. Okay guys, so now we're going to the beach. Yeah, we're going to the beach. We're going to the beach from our hotel. There's a beach over there. Yeah. Morocco is so nice. It's so nice. It's so beautiful, guys. Like, yeah. Yeah. But tomorrow we're going to Marrakech. Yeah. Yo, guys, take to the Nini Sama.
You like this one is yours. It's my like.
Thank you. Okay guys, now we're going swimming. This is my outfit. I'm having omelette for Sam. I don't know what's this. I don't know, but it's nice. It's nice. I and their tomato. We are tourists to Marrakech. Period.
With spices. This is the famous mixture in Morocco. We call it in Arabic Ras Hanout. Ras Hanout means top of the shop, or 35 spices mixed together. It's kind of curry or curry, by the way. It's like garam masala, by the way, okay? This one used to prepare couscous, tagine.
Okay guys, so now we walking around Marrakech and just exploring Marrakech.
Buying, shopping.
We are shopping, looking at stores, and Marrakech is very beautiful. And yeah, guys, I don't want to use my phone, so bye. It's so crowded. This is how it is.
Desert to cover the face, the sand, and also sand.
Yeah.
We take half of that, just like that.
Good morning guys, I hope you guys are awesome like I am. I'm still a bit tired. So yesterday we didn't update you guys a lot because we came home and we were so tired, and yeah, we had so much fun as you guys saw from the videos. So this is my outfit for today. We're going to a boat trip. I'm so excited. I am so excited. And my outfit is so cute, guys. I'm actually late. I'm supposed to be downstairs right now eating breakfast, so I should hurry up. So this is my outfit today. Guys, check the view from our room. It's so beautiful. Like, I can't get over it. Like, it's so beautiful. I love it so much. And here's the beach over there. There's already like a lot of people. I don't know if you guys can see. But yeah. So let's go eat breakfast. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side. Okay guys, now we're going to with you forever. You see through the storm, take me as I am. Baby, it's magic every time I look together. I'm here 'cause I hold you for life.
emhlabeni kumnandi.
Good morning, guys. Good morning. I hope you guys are awesome. I am kind of okay though. Now I feel a little bit better, guys. Yesterday I was so sick. I had flu, but now I feel a bit better. So yeah. So today I'm kind of excited about today's activities. I don't want the flu to stop before doing that. Like, guys, I want to have fun. I don't want the flu to ruin all my plans. Like, it's gonna go away. I'm going to cry. I don't want to waste any time, guys. Let's go eat breakfast. I'm so hungry. I can't even speak.
Hi guys, we are hiking by Paradise Village. We're doing 15 minutes walk hiking, looking at the beauty of paradise, the mountain. It's so beautiful. Palm tree, yeah. Okay guys, let's go. Oh, the mountain is so hot. Yeah. Please, this vlog, please subscribe. I'm so tired already.
Hey guys, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're going camel riding and this is my outfit. Yeah. Yeah guys, let's go. I'm so excited.
She be not this kind of things where they make man see ya. And me, I understand, so your dad know like me, see me, I want make you know, say me there for you, girl, sure, baby, come. I want to make me there, girl, I want make you know, oh, no, no, I want make you know, oh, no, I want to make me there.
The mountain is the dam, Resmuka, water dam.
What does that thing over there mean?
This one is the mini atlas, the small atlas of Morocco. Okay.
Yeah, I have the YouTube channel.
Our tour guide of the day. Hi guys.
Morocco.
Oh, Morocco. Yeah. So I'm going to go to
Hey guys, today's our last night in Morocco. Yeah, and now we're going out for dinner.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dolls that I grew beside. All the niggas around me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn.
Okay guys, now we're packing. It's the last day in Morocco. Look at my mom, she's so sad. She doesn't wanna go. Our flight is at 9 and we have to check out at the hotel at 12, so yeah. We're just gonna explore around for the last time, and then at 6 they're gonna fetch us. Yeah, we're very sad.
Okay, but we have fun, eh?
Yeah, we had fun.
Memories last forever, guys. Save that money and go out. I'm keeping a bank account. Really.
So real.
Just for yourself. Yeah.
We had so much fun. And now we're going back to the cold.
Bye, Morocco. Bye, Morocco. We are leaving. My mom has a headache because she's going back to the UK. She's going back to the UK. Now she has a headache. Yeah, when we came here, she was fine. Now we're going back, she has a headache. Oh wow. Oh guys, shame, we are sad that we're going back. How do you feel? Emma, how do you feel? I want beach. You want the beach?
Feeling like I'm fresh.